Hey guys, Erin here with LaCkore Couture, and today we're going to be talking about how to size your ring size at home. But before we do that, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into it. I feel like we're all always searching for that perfect fit ring, where it doesn't fall off, but it's not too tight. So there's a lot of things that you want to factor in when choosing your ring size. Now, when factoring in different elements to figure out your ring size, you want to take into consideration your knuckle size. So if you have arthritis or if you have very, very thick knuckles, you're going to want to size up a half a size. Or if you have a very, very thin finger, you may be sizing down a little bit. It's just something to keep in mind. And I always recommend measuring multiple times at different temperatures, because when it's hot out, or if you maybe ate too much salt, your hands can swell and it will change the size of your fingers and will ultimately change the size of your ring. So you want to make sure that you're taking into consideration that you have an average size that you're settling on every time that you measure. All right, so there are a ton of different ways that you can measure your ring size at home, but I'm going to give you my favorite, easiest way, and you're only going to need three things: floss, measuring tape or a ruler, and a pen to get started. All right, so now you have your piece of floss, and it could be any length. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your floss and you're going to wrap it around the base of whatever finger it is that you are trying to measure, like so, and you are going to wrap it around your finger. Now, you're going to take your pen, and you're going to mark on your finger where that string first overlapped, like so. Now you're going to take that piece, and sorry about that, you wanted to mark your finger and the string right where it overlapped. Now you're going to take that little piece of floss and your measuring tape or your ruler, and you are just going to measure it, and that is going to give you an accurate ring size. Perfect. Okay, so since my string I wrapped around my pointer finger, it's going to be larger than my ring finger, obviously, and it is giving me about 75 millimeters, or you could also convert it into inches. The chart that I'm linking in the description is going to show you in millimeters and inches. So it's almost 3 inches in length. And now you're going to pull up a ring measurement chart that I will link in the description below for you to take that millimeters to convert it into a ring size, which would convert to a size 12 ring, which is huge. My normal size ring is between a 7.5 and an 8. So obviously my hands are swollen right now and it's hot out and I'm sweating. So my ring size is gonna be a little bit bigger right now, but if you're like me and you swell up sometimes, you may wanna take that at a time where your body is relaxed and cooled and your hands are not swollen. Hopefully this quick little at-home trick will help you decide what ring size you are, and to remember to consider swelling, your knuckle size, and all of that. And if you want to check out my jewelry and other videos by me, make sure you check out the description and the link below and help support my channel. And if you want to check out more fashion, fun, jewelry related content, make sure to click one of the videos above me, and I'll see you in the next one.